In this video, I'll show you how to download fonts into Adobe Illustrator. For example, let's say you have some text in Illustrator and you want to change its font. If you select the text and check the font family list on the right side of your screen, you'll notice that the font you need, such as Roboto, isn't available. This means you need to download and install it. To download a font, open any browser and search for Dafont. Hit enter and click on the first link to open the Dafont website. Once you're on the site, you'll see a search box on the right side of the screen. Type in the name of the font you want and hit enter. The search results will display the font. Click on the download button next to the font you want. This will download a zip file to your computer. Next, go to the download folder on your computer and locate the zip file. Right-click on it and select Extract Here. This will extract different Roboto font files. Open the specific Roboto font file you want and click on the Install button. The font will now be installed on your system. Close Adobe Illustrator and open it again to apply the changes. Once Illustrator is open, use the text tool on the left side of the screen to type some text. Select the text and go to the Font Family menu on the right side of the screen. If you check for Roboto, you'll see that the downloaded font is now available. Select it and the font will be applied to your text. This is how you can install fonts in Adobe Illustrator.